Hello everyone! If you're advertising on Facebook and have a website, it is essential to have a Facebook Pixel, a powerful tool that will help you increase your sales. This way you can generate leads, purchases, etc. Facebook will improve and optimize your campaign. With Pixel, you will be able to target someone to become a lead and make conversion. But in order for that to happen, you will need a Facebook Pixel installed or embedded into your website. Leads, you can take it from here.
Hello everyone, Leads here. Let's start straight away. Go to your Facebook profile, then Ads Manager, Business Suite, or Business Manager. Click here and choose Events Manager. Connect data sources and then select Web. Get started. Check Facebook Pixel and then click Connect. Name your pixel. If you add your website, Facebook will check if it has a partner integration with them. Now, you can select the partner integration, but you do not need to if you don't want to. Alternatively, you can install the code manually. Now, your pixel is created. For example, if you have a WordPress blog or shop, follow the next steps in connecting your WordPress account with your pixel. There is the automatic advanced matching, which you can turn on so that you can use information provided to your business, in example, emails or phone numbers, in order to generate more conversions to your ads and achieve bigger reach. By adding the events using Event Setup tool, you can add standard events and parameters, and it's an easiest option for pixel events. Overview. Here you can see the activity chart of your pixel. You can see how many websites have your pixel. You can insert your pixel in more than one website. Test events. Here you can check out if your events are received correctly. Diagnostics. If you have issues and your pixel is not working correctly, here's the place where you can see and track the issues. As you can see, there are no issues for this specific pixel. History. If there were pixel changes, here is the place you can see them. Go to your settings and check the details of your pixel. Also, you can share it with other accounts through Business Manager and give another account the access. Now it is time to set up your pixel for advertising and analysis. If you choose to share data from your website's first-party cookies with Facebook, be sure to check this cookie button on. Automatic advanced matching. If it's on, you can use all the info that your customers have left on your website and match them with people on Facebook. See all your options down below. You can track events without codes. Conversions API can be created right here, but first you'll have to create an access token by choosing the pixel and choosing a partner simply by clicking on a suggested one or register a new partner. To quote Facebook, an access token gives your selected system user secure access to the Conversions API. Each time you make an API call, you'll be required to use your access token. You need to have an email associated with specific business, then implement API and send instructions. You can find the specific details for the developers at this link. At the end, you can create a allow list, a list of domains that can send events to Facebook through this pixel. The next step is to add it to your website. Implementation depends on what kind of website you have. Please contact your developer to help you with that last step. And if you do not have a website, you cannot use Facebook Pixel. You can only have one Facebook Pixel per ad account and use it for several websites. But what is Facebook Pixel? The Facebook Pixel is inside of your websites. It tracks people's actions while they're there. You can target them through your pixel, and it can enable tracking the effectiveness of your paid social media campaigns. Now when the pixel is set, track data and your customers' behavior. You will need time to set everything up and to figure out how it all works. But once you learn it, your next step is to implement it and upgrade it when needed. Events Manager helps you create events. Data sources. Here you can create offline event set. Default offline event set helps you to understand how much your Facebook ads lead to offline events, get customers to your location, business, or store. Customers details, event time, and event details help you decide which kind of setup do you want. For this type of action, you will need a CSV file. Comma separated value, that is. It has multiple data. If you're not sure how it looks like, well, it looks like this, and you can always download the example directly from this page. The examples show you what type of data you could add to each column. Map data. Facebook will review your uploaded file and identify the type of data in each column. Again, try doing it yourself, check all the errors and warnings, and again, submit it for review. When everything is ready, start your upload. Once you uploaded the data, Facebook will process it. Sometimes it takes time for you to see the results, and that depends on the file size. And to quote Facebook, once you upload offline event data, you can delete or update it, so make sure to resolve as many issues as you can before you upload. Now, there are several troubleshoot issues for offline event upload. No sample events were accepted, low match rate detected, your offline event is not assigned to an ad account, your events occurred more than 90 days ago, some sample events were not accepted, some of your events occurred more than 48 hours ago, some of your timestamps are inaccurate, all sample events have the same value, some events occurred prior to an ad account being assigned, some sample events have invalid fields. Your data is set, and you can track conversions through this. By going to the business settings, you can start adding people to the event and manage their permission settings. Sometimes, if you're a new business that has created your business recently, depending on your business type, there's a chance that you get a default event set automatically that is created and designed to your ad accounts. If that happens, you can select details to view and manage it. Now, you're ready to communicate with your audience at a completely new level. Well, that's all for me in this video tutorial. See you in the next one.
Thank you, Leeds. You've been very helpful.